Are you looking for a great lakefront community? Check out Lake Barrington Shores. This is Gabby with Nex-Gen Real Estate and Property Management, serving Chicagoland in selling, buying, and managing properties. And if you enjoy content like this, please let me know by subscribing and hitting that like button. As always, you can find a link below to schedule a free consultation with me. Today, I will discuss Lake Barrington Shores, one of the best northwest suburbs in Illinois. Lake Barrington Shores is a premier gated community in the countryside of Lake Barrington Village in Lake County, Illinois. Its 1,317 condominium homes are situated on 510 acres. Within the community is Lake Barrington, a 96-acre lake. Lake Barrington Shores residents could enjoy many exciting outdoor recreational activities, including fishing, boating, sailing, swimming. Lake Barrington, which is located in Cuba Township, was founded in 1925 and went through numerous owners before being sold for development in 1972. In 1946, the Criswell property, totaling 600 acres, was sold to Robert Bartlett, who paid $500 an acre for it. During the 1950s, developers were pouring into Lake County communities. Areas around the village of Barrington were incorporated in 1957. By coincidental referendum, the twin villages of North Barrington and Lake Barrington were both incorporated on October 31st, 1959. Amid boundary and zoning conflicts, Robert Bartlett's heirs sold his estate to the James Companies and Standard Oil of Indiana. The Lake Barrington Shores condominiums were first established in 1973, with approximately 1,300 units, completed by 1990. As the village of Lake Barrington grew, Lake Barrington Shores benefited from diverse living environments, nature preserves, and several village amenities such as commercial section off Northwest Highway and a first-class hospital overlooking its own lake. Now, let's get down into business. What's it like living in Lake Barrington Shores? Lake Barrington Shores is like a resort. Living here can feel like luxuriating in nature's bounty. Homeowners don't need to worry about exterior maintenance or lawn care, so there's plenty of time to enjoy the community's amenities and events. Homes in Lake Barrington Shores. They're mostly condominiums and townhomes. According to Realtor.com, the median listing home in Lake Barrington Shores was $330,000, trending up 22.7% year over year. The median listing price per square foot was $159. The median house sold price was $295,000. Lake Barrington Shores is a seller's market. On average, homes here sell after 45 days on the market. And when you choose to move to Lake Barrington Shores, you enter a strong, tight-knit community that offers clubs for different interests. Strong sense of community with club variety. Many clubs can be found in Lake Barrington Shores. Bocce, book club, bridge, hand and foot, mahjong, music club, needlepoint, pickleball, photo club, platform tennis, sailing association, short stories, social club, tennis associations, veterans of LBS, and yoga are some of the clubs available to residents. Aside from these clubs, residents can also partake in the various community events like concerts and festivals held on the shores of the lake. Lake Barrington Shores offers family-friendly amenities for everyone to live in and have fun together. First, its unique access to Lake Barrington gives residents nature-centric and active community engagements. There's open sailing on Saturdays and sail races on Sundays. Children and adults can take fishing lessons from the community's very own instructor. Next, there's a clubhouse fully equipped with indoor and outdoor pools and fitness center and meeting rooms. The clubhouse regularly holds exercise and fitness activities such as Zumba, water aerobics, Tai Chi, and several types of yoga. Then there's the sports park across the street with basketball, tennis, pickleball, and bocce courts. Joggers, bikers, and walkers will enjoy the private 3-mile walk around the lake that winds through 36 acres of woodland preserve. You can also join the Lake Barrington Shores Golf Club, which offers 18 holes of golf, a pro shop, and a full-service restaurant. And speaking of Marina Beach, People can conduct sailing races here. School Districts 220. Lake Barrington Shores is part of the Barrington School District 220. This award-winning school district was established in 1973 as a consolidated unit serving students from kindergarten to high school. Barrington 220 contains 1 high school, 2 middle school campuses for grades 6 to 8, 8 elementary school, and a preschool. Lake Barrington Shores residents also benefit from top-notch healthcare services. Located at the center of Lake Barrington, Advocate Good Shepherd Hospital is a 50-specialty acute care institute with over 700 physicians. This hospital has received numerous awards, including America's 250 Best Hospital Awards and Outstanding Patient Experience Award. When it comes to transportation, Lake Barrington Shores residents benefit from the convenience of the nearby community of Lake Barrington, Lake Zurich, and Wakanda. And for families with children, the Barrington 220 Town Unit School District provides bus transportation from the community. Lake Barrington Shores is one of the most desirable neighborhoods in the Barrington community. This exclusive gated community offers the beauty of nature with best-in-class amenities for people to live, work, and raise their family. The caveat is you need to prepare a fortune to be able to get into the neighborhood. Do you live in North Barrington Shores, or are you keen to move here? Share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and as always, where's your future?